Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I got a new keyboard from Fantech and it's called Maxfit81. Let's go check it out. So what I have here is the bare bone version. There's no keycaps and switches. It's a bit cheaper compared to the pre-built option, so I can easily choose whatever switch and keycaps that I want for this keyboard. If you're planning to get one, please stick around. I decided to go for a full transparent polycarb keycaps just to go along with the transparent case of this keyboard. Then a CS Jelly Black switches from Akko. Now let's have a quick stock build sound test. Opening this keyboard is very simple. First, we need to pry the top case with the pick or unused cards if you have one. After doing that, you need to disconnect the two cables. If you want to remove the bottom case foam, you need to unscrew the OLED screen, or if you're too lazy, just cut the foam out. You can see some gasket strips here because obviously it's a gasket mount keyboard. The bottom case needs a lot of work to improve the sound, but this one looks fine for me for now. From here, you can already see the plate foam, and it's a 2mm EVA foam. Before separating the PCB from the plate, you need to remove a total of 6 screws. And there you go, an FR4 plate, which is really surprising and unusual for a keyboard like this. And yes, a rubber spacebar dampener is already included. The stock plate mount stubs are very tight, but it lacks consistency in lubing. So here I need to remove and disassemble it before relubing so I can tune it properly. The stems doesn't need to be clipped, as you can see here, it's already flat. This PCB looks nice and well built. They are already included switch pads so that the sound will be more high pitch. Just a quick tip, you need to cut some of this and just use a Teflon tape, or you may just leave it blank. Just be sure to cut it out to avoid the stub sticking on the pad. So I already did a 3-layer tape mod using painter's tape. It's very easy. And I manually lube the switches just to have a little bit of smoothness while typing. Before finishing things up, always check your stubs first and see if it's properly tuned according to your preference. Before I forget, there are things to know if you're planning to buy this keyboard. First, it has a wireless functions, a 2.4G and a Bluetooth connection, so you can use it on other devices wirelessly. The OLED experience is so much fun and it's very unusual to see on a budget keyboard like this. You can use any logo or GIF that you like. Just use the software and configure it while using wired mode. Lastly, the RGB goodness. My goodness. But there are two things I don't like about this keyboard. First, the OLED screen placement. The knob is blocking the screen, so you may want to find or look for a smaller knob to fix the issue. And the keyboard is too light for my liking. But nonetheless, it's a unique and decent 75% exploded layout keyboard for a friendly price tag. Get one if you want one. Let me know in the comment if you enjoyed it or not. That's it. See you again next time. Enjoy the sound test. Thanks for dropping by. Peace out.